we are going outside, I have a bag and we're gonna pick some of the lemons. It's kind of windy today. Oh man, there's a dead bird in here. The lemon tree, guys. And this is actually ready. Some of it is still green, but if you will cut it, it's already good. That is huge. Look at this one. Look at this one too. Huge. Still green. That's all. I cut some, so I think that's all. I'm going to bring this to my friend in Texas. There's already flowers. We planted this lemon probably 4 years ago, and it was like probably 3 feet tall. And now it did pretty good this year. So I'm going to unbox the Swiss Colony. This is from my mother-in-law. This is her gift for our anniversary. So I'm going to open it and I'll show it to you. What is inside. So this is the list of the nutrition facts of everything here, and I actually not paid attention to that. So we have a different variety here of jam or the preserves. So this is 3 strawberry preserve. It's really cute. And then next we have the blueberry jam. We only have 2 of this. And then the grape jelly, which is my favorite too. That one. So we have like 3 of it. We have the orange marmalade, like 3 of it. And then next, there's a peanuts. This is chocolate buttons. Honey roasted peanuts. And then we have the cashew, buttered toffee. We have chocolate covered peanuts. Then the gumdrops. Then we have here different sauce, stone ground mustard. This is the mellow cheddar cheese, mild jalapeno, sweet onion sauce, and the sweet hot mustard. And there is a barbecue sauce too, and also Swiss bacon, pork wine cheese spread, smoked bacon. Have the roasted coffee. There's 2 blended of coffee. So then we have here the Colby cheese, hobby, the brick cheese. So this is the sharp flavor. This is a Swiss cheese, and also there is a Monterey Jack cheese, and we also have this variety of cheeses. And then there's a bonbon cookie, and we also have the sausages here. There is a caraway summer sausage. There is a summer sausage again. This is a garlic summer sausage. Summer sausage. So there's a bunch of it. Cakes. Apple date bread. And there is lemon bread. And there's also banana bread. And we have this variety of Swiss cheese. So we have here smoked cheddar, Swiss in ham, cheddar in caraway, smoked cheddar. So Swiss Colony is actually in Monroe, Wisconsin. So I think that's where the cheese is made and everything. So yeah, so that's all. That's everything, guys. This is boiling for an hour now, so I think the whole chicken is done. There you go. Alright. So we need to shred it now. And this is the bones, and I'm gonna put it back in a pot. And I will simmer it for probably 2 more hours. Ready to make a soup, and I'll give you all the ingredients so you can follow if you wanna make it. So I have a pot here, and I'm gonna start to make the soup.